What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Lando Success. So on my channel, I always avoided teaching people how to trade futures because it is such high risk, high return. It's nothing in between. But with the way the crypto market has been in the bear market, finally going on a rally, for the people that do want to know, I trade futures on Mexc, Mexc. I have a link where you guys can sign up and get you like $1,000 once you deposit and trade. But I'm about to show you guys the basics. It's all foreign and stuff. Main thing is you're going to futures. So you see it's going to have all this crazy stuff. See futures overview. All you doing is you can look at Bitcoin. You can look at a bunch of different stuff. What I'm going to probably trade right now is Aptos. Aptos been going crazy. You can look at every 5 minutes. 15 minutes. This bar mean whatever you click. This every 1 hour. So 1 hour, this time the bar went up a little bit, red. You can go back to 1 day and you see it's been going up like hell. And I'm predicting this is going to keep on going up since we have a low rally going on. Now you can check your wallet, and to do it, you have to have money. You can send some money. What I usually do is go on Coinbase, buy Tether, and I send Tether to my wallet over here. Once again, I buy crypto on Coinbase Tether, send it over here. Once I get a balance over here, and I have all type of random stuff. I actually showed you can see the video on how I bought XRP because people love XRP. I usually buy it over here. So once you get it, you got to click transfer because you want to transfer it to futures. This is spot. Transfer it to futures. You hit all and you literally transfer it over there. So now we can do futures and have fun. So what you're doing is picking your isolation. You're isolated. Really, this is your margin mode. The higher the number, the quicker you're going to lose money. Think of it like that. Starting off, you do not want to do anything over 10. You want to go 10 and under so you can learn the game. Once you learn the game, you can do all type of crazy stuff, but start 10 or under. I'm doing 20 right here because it's late and I'm about to go to sleep, and I'm about to try to make $100. So I'm changing it to 20. That means I'm predicting it to go up. So what I'm doing is picking out where I want to buy at. You can buy with a limit. Limit mean you picking a certain price, and once it hit that price, you buying in. This save you like $4 or $5 every time you do it. Market is going to cost you like 4 or 5. That just means buy it absolutely right now. I want it right now while it's going up. Don't never do this. Trigger limit is really the same as kind of limit, but we'll do trigger limit at this point. So what I'm doing, I'm going to go to right here. I like this price. 18. You see on the right hand side say 18, 16, 24. So I'm putting in 18, 16, 24. That's my price I want to buy in at. 18, 16, 24. And I'm going to buy $100. So this is that money that I had. So you see, we only going to do 100 right there. Open long. And you see it say open order. Open order is telling me my trigger price. And you see I'm waiting. I'm going to buy. Leverage 20x. And we need it to get to this level. And where we at? 18, 16. So 18, 16, 24. So it's right here. Just need to go down just a little bit lower. My rule of thumb is never ever buy in on green. Always buy in on red. Well, if you want it to go up, you buy in on red. If you want it to go down, you buy in on green, because the worst case scenario, the worst thing is the average person, what they do is they see a rally like this. They see this rally and they usually buy in right here. Soon as you buy in, this happen and you get liquidated and you lose all of your money quick as hell. So what I'm going to do is show you guys stop loss. Once, yep, it just triggered. So you see it just went in, bam. I have a position and this is showing how much money I get in the game, my entry price, fair price, my liquidation price, meaning where I'm going to lose money at. This is how much money I have lost or gained. I'm down $2. What we're going to do is make sure I don't lose too much, just in case it spiked down. My loss, I only want to lose $20. That's the most. What I want to gain is 100. So what I just did is, if this shoot all the way down, once it go right here, I'm worst case scenario, I'm only going to lose $20 and it's it. I'm done. $20, that's all y'all getting from me. Once it hit 100, once it hit, what's the limit for 100? If it hit 1908, at that point I will have made $100 and it's going to automatically sell it. And it's going to send me a text message like, hey, we just sold it. You just made $100. You see right now, I'm up $2 and this shit go quick, meaning you can lose money or you can make money. So I'm up $4. So if I did, I'm at 20x. So think if I was at 40x, I would be up double this. I'd be at $6. If I was at 50x, whatever it is, it go like that. Once you get close to 60%, meaning a liquidation, meaning you're 60% about to lose your money, they'll send you a notification like, yo, do you want to buy in some more? Do you want to sell? Shit is about to get real. And if you get a quick spike and they just do this, you can get liquidated. So it's tough. You really have to be focused and be watching it, because this stuff literally changed quick. Now, the same thing is if I want to sell this, like right now, I'm going to do the exact same thing. All I'm doing instead of opening a position, I am closing it. And all I can do latest right here. I can just click latest to update to this price, how much I want to sell, and I can close it. And literally, I will make 24 cents and it will go back over there. So this is how you trade futures. You can literally trade a lot of crypto. You could trade Bitcoin, and this tell you what's hot. Mexc is hot right now. Let me some Mexc. Mexc is at 110. Oh, so Mexc has been popping a little bit. So Mexc doing this thing. So this is good swing trading, like literally buy in sell right here, buy in right here. Try to sell right here, buy in right here. So it's kind of something you have to really be on. What I like to do sometimes is click change, and I like to see who is losing the most money and who's making the most money. So right here, if we look at who's losing the most, FitFi is losing the most because it probably just went up. Usually when you have a crazy run like this, sooner or later it's going to start going down. So the goal is you want to kind of figure out after this crazy run when things going to start going down. So say right here you bought in to go down, we'll probably be up like $400 right now, or probably even more if we had something like that. But never know. And let's look at a few more. DAR. I don't know what the hell DAR is, but if you have money in on DAR, look at this every hour. So 1 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours in a row, it went up. Stop 1 and back up 2. So I will be looking to see when is it going to drop. So the last time it went up like this, I'm like, okay, I will look at history. Like, okay, last time it went on a run, 1, 2, 3. It only went up 3. It didn't go up 6 in a row. I'll be looking for 2 reds. Once I get probably 2 red candles within an hour, I'll probably buy in, because it's hard to time it out, but this looked like it could go down. So I would probably put like a buy in right here and hope it trigger right here, then go down and try to make some money. It's tough to guess it. You can win a lot of money. I think the highest I made, I probably put the picture on there, it's like $800 in like 20 minutes with Solana, because you know Solana is a good one to trade. Solana go up and down quick. Love me some good old Solana. So Solana's my favorite to trade with. We're down $8, $9, yo. We're down $9 on this. So let's see. Remember, I want it to go up, and you see it's going down. You see, so this is where I bought in at. This is where it's at, and this is where I can get liquidated right here. This, if it hit right here, I'll lose $20. I'm down to 10. Now I could close it right now. If I want to do the instant close me, I can sell it right now. The only thing is they're gonna charge you like $4. So avoid trying to do these. Try to do the limit sales. But what I'm hoping is it won't go past this line right here. It's gonna probably keep on playing with it, but it won't go past that. If it do, I lost $20, and I reevaluate and figure out if I want to jump in and how I want to jump in. So let's see, back to 5. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. If you trade futures and know more about it than me, you can answer questions and help people out in the comments. I'm novice to it, but I know how to make money. I know how to make a little bit of monies. Make sure you guys get signed up. Click the link in the bio, all that good stuff. I try not to advertise it, but I do tell my Patreon members sometimes which ones I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Talk to y'all soon. So while I'm editing the video, might as well give you guys an update, and shout out to Hood Chef, the one that got me addicted to trading futures, losing money, making money. He be sending me all type of stuff on Instagram and all of them crazy gains. So my stuff did get liquidated. So it did get liquidated. I lost that $20. So what I did was bought in again, and I changed my candlesticks to 5 minutes. Because you see, look at all of this. Red. Sooner or later, it should go up, or it could keep on going down. So I'm like, let me try to time it. So I bought in right here. And I'm hoping to get a good rally and get my $20 plus more back. But the resistance line is strong. And now we got to go down here to get liquidated. So you see it went down. So more likely, I think I need to go probably like $23 to go under this line, because it could hit right here. But this the good old risk you take, players. This the risk you take. Try to make some money. You live and you learn.